local businesses that want to generate more calls, one of the best ways to get more phone calls is to get ranked in local search on Google. And once you're ranked in local search, right, this is local search. So anytime somebody types in anything that's location based or locally based, you'll see this 3-pack over here, and it's free. Anytime somebody click on any of these 3 business listings, it's free. And of course, it's getting harder and harder to be ranked in the 3-pack. But once you're ranked in the 3-pack, how can you quantify how many people are calling from that 3-pack, or how many people are coming to your website because of getting ranked in the 3-pack? And let me show you how. It's actually very, very interesting data here. So what you have to do is very simple. You go on again, business.google.com. Info is where you update your business listing, but you jump straight to insights. So the stat I love to look at is, I typically just go all the way to the bottom. This section called customer actions. Customer actions is again due to result of you getting ranked in here, right? So for example, in the last quarter, this business, they got 222 phone calls just by getting ranked in local search. But you can tell from a desktop search, there's no phone number here, but on a mobile device, it will show a phone icon. So of course, Google can track that. So just this business alone, right? In the last quarter, they got 222 phone calls just coming from mobile device. But request directions will happen on both desktop and mobile. So you can see 291 people requested directions to their facility. But this is huge. 515 people visited their website because they're ranked in local search. That is a big deal, right? Anytime I click on website, now it will count as 1 over here. But you can tell that is a lot of traffic just getting ranked in local search, right? 222 phone calls, 515 people just going on their website. That's why to me it's very, very critical for any small business or any location-based business to be ranked in local search. But let me show you a few interesting data. If you scroll all the way up to the top, typically you might think that, hey, most of these people who are coming on the map, going maybe on the website, they already know you, right? Maybe they already know Ferdinand Funeral Home. Maybe they type in Ferdinand Funeral Homes and the map result will be shown. So those phone calls should be attributed to, right, people who already know them. So all the way at the top, Google shows a different stat over here of, right, how customers search for your business. And you can see this big 90% is called discovery. These are people who don't know your brand name yet. If they already know your brand name, they'll be considered as a direct. Customers who find your listing searching for your business name or address. So these are the folks who already know you, right? Or your address. But you can see discovery, this is a big deal. 90% of the people who called, right, this funeral home or went on their website, they do not know, right, this business yet. And just some other fun data, you can see which query are the ones that are driving the most results. But you can see once you're ranked highly, typically these are location-based keywords, right? And down here, let me show you another interesting thing there. That's why I always want you guys to be adding more photos. People do come onto your listing and they do look at your photos before they call you. So they'll expand this, right? And they're going to click on more photos and they're going to look around more photos before they call you. So you get to quantify how many people are actually, right, checking out your photos. Okay, so yeah, it's very important for you guys to really focus a lot on trying to get ranked in the 3-pack. It's free. Okay? And once you're ranked, typically right at the top of search result are Google Ads, and right below that is these 3-pack. So typically, as you want to be ranked in a 3-pack, and if you're also doing ad placement, it will jump up ahead of local search. But I love local search. It's free. And once you're highly ranked in local search, people really do look at it and call you directly. So try to log into your Google My Business and look at insights and see how many traffic you're getting just result from that 3-pack.